journey to greatness. What feeds your dreams and ambitions? What defines you? Is it a measure of your successes, your failures? Is it the pursuit of that defining moment? That perfect fusion of skill, speed, and engineering? When you and the machine become one.
Brand new season of the GT World Challenge Europe, powered by AWS, begins right here. Welcome to Imola. Ready for 3 hours of racing. This is going to be fantastic. Everybody's position in this Noah's Ark 2x2 formation. Road change, now we go racing for the first time this season. 3 hours of GT action, it's go.
It's very tight as they come down. Group of cars coming in. This has all got trouble written all over it. This is G3 cars.
Drop downhill, they head towards the Acqua Minerale. Imola, of course. There's another one off through the gravel. As wide as possible as they drop downhill, putting that truck in.